I'm going to offer you today just a simple moment to get back in touch with yourself when stuff around appears to be a little bit chaotic. Yeah. You can probably hear the little gurgling noises of the stream next to me. It's down there. So maybe you want to concentrate on that. But this might be hypnotic, so only listen to my words when it's safe, when it's appropriate to do so. I probably encourage you to close your eyes at some point, so please don't listen to my words whilst driving, whilst operating any machinery. Just ask yourself, maybe, is this a good moment for me to just get back in touch with myself, to let go of my story for a moment and to honor whatever it is that I'm feeling right now without any concrete intention. Just a moment to let be. And if you get a nice positive response to that, then all I would suggest that you do, take a seat if you're not seated already. Put your 2 feet flat on the ground, firmly on the ground. Separate your hands. Notice how it feels inside. Maybe do a quick body scan. Notice how it feels in your chest. Notice how it feels in your thighs. Bring your attention to your belly. Ask it how it feels. And when you're ready, I'd like you just to focus your attention on this space here in between your eyes. Some people call it the third eye. But what I want you to do is to focus on the space between your eyes. Perhaps on the peace between your eyes. Because when I focus on that space between my eyes, it's somewhat quiet. And as you notice your breathing, you focus your attention on that space between your eyes. With every breath in, you can breathe in an element of peace. With every breath you exhale, you can exhale any tension. Perhaps as you exhale, you might even imagine sending any of that tension down through your body, almost as if it might breathe out through the soles of your feet. And as you listen to the gurgling sound of the water and the birds in the trees, perhaps you can invite your eyes to close. You can relax your eyes completely. You can relax your chest. If there's any tension, you can move your body. You can allow your body to become calm and still. You can notice the rise and the fall of your chest. Notice the rise and fall of your diaphragm. Perhaps you can become aware of your heart beating, or your pulse in your wrist. You just to sit there with yourself for a moment and not build anything. If your eyes are open, really let go of your gaze. Really allow your gaze to expand. If your eyes are closed, just completely let go of the muscles around the eyes. Allow the eyelids to become heavy. And send a wave of relaxation through the whole of your body. And when you're ready, if your eyes are closed, you can open your eyes, taking a good deep breath, bring yourself back up to a state of full and present awareness. Maybe taking a good deep breath, stretch it off, and go back to your day-to-day business. It's incredibly easy to find the peace inside of you when you invite it. That's what I'm trying to offer you in this little silly video. I don't know how it manifests with you, but in this particular moment, whatever it manifests as is perfectly right. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.